Okay, so let's go through checkpoint 17. So we have a point source emitting energy uniformly in all directions, meaning it's a 3D lah. No? At a constant rate, a detector placed at a distance 8 meter away registered an amplitude of A. So amplitude of A is as square as saying, for example, I is equal to KA square. Okay, so if the power of the source now is half, right, how far from the source must the detector be placed so that it will still register the same amplitude? Means that the intensity must still be the same. Okay, so definitely let's draw the very first picture right here. So initially our detector is placed 8 meter away from the source. So my intensity is power, where power is the power of the point source over 4 pi r square. So what is my r square? Is 8 square. Now, because it's 8 meter away from the source, so you just need to do the substituting in. P equal to 4 pi 8 square. So this will give you 64 times 4. So this will be equal to, intensity is power over your 256 pi. So this is for the very first case where you are 8 meter away from the source. Okay, so in order to actually receive the same intensity, but now the power of the source is half, definitely my detector must be placed nearer to the source to receive the same intensity. So what should be the distance away from the source? Okay, so likewise, at this point, my intensity must be equal to power over 256 pi, because the intensity must be the same. They say same amplitude means the intensity is the same. Okay, so based on this, I look at this distance. So let's call this distance, the new distance, let it be r, and the new power, let it be half p. So my new intensity is equal to, let's put it prime, so I prime must be equal to half p over your 4 pi r square, where I do not know the r, so I want to determine r, right? Okay, so they say, must be the same intensity, means that this whole thing right here must be equal to power over 256 pi. Okay, so the p can cancel away, so the pi can cancel. I shouldn't multiply by the 4. Okay, but never mind. So this part right is 1 over 8 r square is equal to 1 over 256. So what we can do is to do a bit of manipulation. So the r square is equal to 256 over 8. It's about 32 lah. So my r, just do the square rooting. Square root 32 is about 5.66 meter. So definitely must be nearer lah. So the answer must be B, 5.7 meter.